Hi guys, here we go again with Outdoor Decor on a Budget. I'm Kim, the stylist at Paradise Restored, and today we'd like to show you some tips to decorate your backyard at a variety of price points. And that's the thing. When we photograph a property, we go overboard showing it off with food, beverages, and fire fun. We've had comments suggesting our spaces are not budget friendly. Well, I've been in every finished yard, and I know the decor we used like the back of my hand. And the prices? Cost-effective and economical. So we'd like to give you some ideas to create the same kind of looks in your outdoor spaces. If you like the look, find it at a budget price. I know you can because I do all the time. We'll start out showing 3 outdoor living spaces, the before decor and the after styling, giving tips along the way. Take this family backyard during the Oregon wildfires. We did not know if we were going to be able to photograph this property. The smoke was so thick everywhere. Thanks to the grand trees overhead, the smoke hung up higher, and we decided to go for it. Here you see this large empty space under the pergola, and then how we decorated it. I used last season's clearance items. I picked up this sofa ottoman set for $349, added a rug for $16, metal drinks table, magazine stand each for $20, fun plant pots for $12, and the space comes together. And that resin wicker furniture, it just keeps on performing. It lasts and lasts. See how the hardscape and gravel pathway become part of the decor? Uncluttered empty space adds an artistic touch. Now at the kitchen bar, the bar stools are only $43 each. Add a cushion and voila. And hey, take advantage of the cushion sales. Get them at the lowest cost because cushions are spendy. Here across the room you see a second bar that wraps around the post. We use narrow bar stools here. Again, simple does it. Keep kitchen counters free from clutter. Yes, canisters, serving bowls, candles. You can get some great kitchen utensils for some great prices. These homeowners love their loungers center stage for watching TV outdoors. So we added another chat type area, a destination for when guests join them with a 360 view, perfect for sharing the scoop. Lastly, the fire pit with built-in seat wall. Cushions, pillows, lanterns, s'mores station, all can be purchased at budget prices. And for our third before to after, we'll step away from a beach theme into another small yard where the decor was built around the first piece of furniture the homeowners bought, a teak dining table. When I first saw the yard, a friend of mine was giving away a set of teak furniture and a cart on wheels. I snapped these up, bought some wood stain, and got to work brightening the pieces up. I gave a facelift to an old bamboo rug with some of the stain as well, and it all looked pretty sweet when I was done. As you can see, I paired the three-piece set with an old acacia wood rocker I had and wrapped them around a $69 fire pit on a Hobby Lobby rug, sale price $44. Nights are for fire watching, so I added a couple loungers for $99 each. The space needed some greenery, so I added some cool planters, all under $25, and I found some metal tiki torches, clearance. 4 for $24.99, and there you have it. We'd better show off the teak table, our star of the space. You can see the cart on wheels pairs well with the grill for the chef's convenience. We added a black umbrella with lights and a bar table with bar stools, all under $2.90. Enjoy the office shed and the catio in this before to after outdoor furniture on a budget. Hurry! Mid-June is the time to buy, as in right now. Outdoor decor clearance and closeouts are the best prices of the season. Sound crazy? Yes, because it feels like summer just got started. But local in-stores as well as internet deals are offering budget prices. Time to get some great deals. That doesn't mean you can't get incredible pieces online and in outlet stores throughout the year. But for fun selection and price-friendly furniture, mix it up lanterns, lighting, umbrellas, and newest grill gadgets, now's the time because things are marked down to sell. So right after construction, this huge counter is beautifully empty. Be prudent, minimize. Allow the chef some space while grilling. It's more convenient and it looks better. Add character with kitchen stuff, but don't forget, less is more. It just is. Not all outdoor grills are built into kitchen counters. You can create a grill island by picking up a cart or sell-price table to stand next to your grill, creating a countertop workspace. Eating outside has been a favorite for decades. Making it more convenient with less trips inside is the real tip here. Boy, these hot tubs look like fun. Well, thanks for joining us today. Enjoy summer and happy decorating.